Good morning, everybody. ADR, this is King Black, and today I wanted to talk about why you should always lawyer up if you ever find yourself in any kind of trouble with the cops. No matter what you are accused of, you must always make sure to get a lawyer. Even if you can't afford one, you don't open your mouth until you get a court-appointed one. Whether you're guilty or innocent, whatever it is you're being charged with, it is always better to be safe than sorry. Remember this, cops are legally able to lie to you. So if verbally they say, if you just admit to the crime, we'll make sure that you get a reduced sentence to 6 months, and it's not in black and white and a lawyer hasn't already read over it, it doesn't count. They might tell you you'll get off free if you testify against anybody, which you shouldn't be snitching in the first place. However, if all of this stuff they only tell you verbally and you go along with it, you're the only one that gets screwed in the end. Not only that, you think that what happens in that courtroom is only going to stay in that courtroom. It goes on your jacket, it goes in the news, or it gets spread out through the jails, the prisons, the streets. If you talked, things that go around come around. You gotta remember, there is such a thing called karma on the streets, and even though I always advocate abstaining from any illegal activities, I know many people listening to this may participate in said activities, but what they need to know is no matter what you are faced with, how bad it may seem, you must always not incriminate yourself, because just like the cops say, anything that you say or do from the point that they arrest you can be used in a court of law. So if they interrogate you without a lawyer, you need to stay quiet until you get one, because anything you say in that interrogation room can be used against you. And the last thing that you want is for a lawyer to tell you later is if you would have just kept your mouth shut and waited for them to be appointed to you, you'd be out.